What's going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we will be looking at Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, as well as Digibyte to Bitcoin. So shout out to Joanna Miller for commenting her top altcoin. If you guys want to be shouted out in tomorrow's video, please make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, and leave a comment below telling me what altcoin we should review or cryptocurrency we should review in tomorrow's episode. Otherwise, I do have an article to show you guys today, as well as discuss the current market trends in technical analysis. So before I get into the coin market cap, I want to show you guys a quick article that was done by Charlie Lee. So this was on Crypto Slate. It says Charlie Lee announces schedule and speaker list for Litecoin Summit. And if I scroll down, you'll see that it says he has released the full schedule for the upcoming Litecoin Summit. We will see the Litecoin team, Lightning Labs, RSK Labs, and a range of industry experts and influencers that meet in San Francisco to discuss the future of Litecoin. So some very big news there. The Litecoin Summit, which is set to occur September 14th and 15th, will not only bring together developers of both Litecoin and other blockchain networks, but will also function as a networking event for businesses and merchants that are interested in integrating Litecoin as a payment method. It says the summit will also feature a range of prominent speakers drawn from the finance and tax industry, professional journalists, and a range of exhibitors. So Litecoin does come to San Francisco, as we discussed. They should be heading over there. It says Bill Barhit of ABRA will be delivering the keynote at the summit, expanding on the relationship between ABRA platform and Litecoin. And then it says Litecoin Summit set to catalyze cryptocurrency adoption with innovation. The Litecoin project is largely focused on the use of digital currency as a payment method. As such, the development of Litecoin has leaned heavily towards seamless, fast payments and integrations for merchants. So you can see it says Litecoin currently ranked number 6, down by 0.78. I guess it changes. Over the past 24 hours, Litecoin has a market cap of 5.52 billion with a 24-hour volume of 242.26 million. So definitely down from where we were at. It does have some pretty cool integrated maps, but definitely awesome to see that Charlie Lee is still promising that we will see cryptocurrency and Litecoin advancing in the future. He's not just selling off his cryptocurrency and his Litecoin to screw us and say that the currency is dead, sell off, I'm out of here. He might actually have a reason for doing so. He is still developing and working on the channel, which is definitely just great, or on the currency. So I just want to zoom in on the 4 hour so we can get a better look, because I do think it is quite interesting to see the pattern that's being portrayed right now within cryptocurrency or within Litecoin. For the most of Litecoin the past few days, we have seen a lot of consolidation, a lot of trading sideways. We have pretty much a 94 to I wouldn't even say 104, probably like around a $95 average. And even if we look on the daily, we can see that there's really not much movement happening in the past few days. If I just zoom here so you can get a better look, you can see how it's getting pretty flatlined right now. And we're hanging out right on a support level at around the $93 to $95 range. So it's interesting to see us really hanging out on the bottom there. This could be a good and a bad thing. You can see the last time we have consolidated for a long time, we exploded up and we broke out and upwards. It's possible that we could do that again. You can see when we were down there, we were practically oversold. We were at levels of almost 25 on the stock RSI. You can see right here from that fall, and then we shot up. You can see we're now back down to those oversold levels. So there's a very good chance we could see some movement within Litecoin very soon. Bitcoin also being under the white trend line that I drew right here. You can see we are coming to an area where there might be a lot of pressure, I could say. You can see how we are currently we are consolidating definitely, and I'm actually going to zoom in on the 4 hours so we can get a better look at that consolidation, because that is interesting, very, very, very interesting. Look at that consolidation, guys. So I know it looks a bit more up and down right here because of how close and zoomed in we are. But you can see how we've had much waves and movements in the past on the 4-hour, and right now we're pretty much just hugged in one area and one line. If I go into the daily too, we'll get a better look at that. And you can see how just the past 1, 2, 3, 4 days we've just been pretty much at the same price level, not moving like or budging at all. And that's very interesting and usually cues a movement. You can see how the last time we had a kind of price fix or a very low and high pressure, there's not much movement within the cryptocurrency. We usually tend to either break out or break down from it. I want to show you guys like where we break down. So in this area right here, you can see price pretty much consolidated and didn't move, and we broke down from it. And right here, consolidated, we broke up, and basically we're seeing the end of this big descending triangle that formed. So it'll be very interesting to see where this price leads. I honestly think by the fact that we are very low on the stock RSI and the high-low MMA, we should hopefully break up out of that and at least retest that high-low MMA. I am looking to see the crypto go back up to around $8,300. I don't think this is the end. I think this is a very good buying opportunity for everyone, so do take advantage of it. And Ethereum's pretty much just following Bitcoin as well, so when we see that consolidation point hit around the downtrend that it has formed, we should see hopefully a break upwards due to such a low stock RSI for all the top altcoins or top cryptocurrencies. Lastly, let's check out Digibyte. I am looking at this on the daily, and this does seem to be forming like an overall triangle, and I'm just going to draw that in so we can get a better view. It's a very interesting graph. Whether you want to draw something like that, I probably wouldn't. Something more on the lines of maybe this. So starting here and then continuing it down is very possible. I'm going to continue it all the way down. So we did have a slight move upwards right here, but it didn't hold true and we did fall. Is there support where it is traveling at? We will find out. You can see right around here. Yeah, you can see the heads right along this area. We have two bottoms. We have resistance at the top. We have a bottom again. And now you can see the resistance is playing out. So it's in a very prime area where we can see a lot of movement in either direction, but it's pretty much just holding out. We are not too bad on the stock RSI. We are around 45, closer to 50. And we are coming to the end of this downtrend too. So when we see cryptocurrency and volume move, it seems like they're all syncing up together, and when one moves, they will all. But it's interesting, the high-low MMAs have moved up. The green band crossed over the red, and we are pushing up against this downtrend. So if we manage to break this downtrend and this white line, we should see the price kind of bounce up. And if we do, we should see the rest of cryptocurrency move up as well. But that's going to sum up the episode for today, guys. If you like what you saw, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys tomorrow.